Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that nearly 40% of people believe that selling their home will hurt their credit score? Crazy, right? Let's dive into this topic and clear up some of those misconceptions. So today we're talking about selling your house and whether or not it actually impacts your credit score. A lot of folks get really worried about this, and honestly, it's a pretty important topic to unpack. If you're thinking about selling, or just curious about how it all works, stick around because we're going to break it down. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Many people think that selling a house will automatically lead to a drop in their credit scores. This is a common misconception, and it's understandable why people might think that. After all, selling a big asset like a home can feel like it should have some kind of impact, right? But the truth is, selling your home doesn't directly affect your credit score. What really matters are the financial behaviors surrounding that sale. So what actually influences your credit score? Well, that's primarily based on a few key factors. Your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit accounts all play a significant role. If you're selling your house, the sale itself doesn't impact these factors. However, if you're paying off a mortgage or taking on new debt after the sale, that's where you might see some changes. So, if you sell your house and then rack up a ton of credit card debt, that could hurt your score. But the act of selling? Not so much. Here's the big takeaway. Selling your house doesn't automatically hurt your credit score. The direct impact comes from how you manage your finances during and after the process. If you keep your financial habits in check, like making timely payments and avoiding new debt, your credit score should remain stable or even improve. So, no need to stress too much about selling your home. To wrap it all up, remember this. Selling your house isn't a direct threat to your credit score. The key is to be mindful of your financial decisions afterwards. Keep an eye on those habits, and you'll be just fine. All right, that's it for today. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so drop a comment down below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos on home selling and credit management. See you in the next one.